You upgraded your appliances. Why not upgrade the way you clean them? Make the upgrade to Wyman Stainless Steel Cleaners. Wyman is specially formulated to restore brilliance, so your appliances shine and so do you.
How to finish raw wood with a satin wax finish by Howard Products. In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to apply a wax finish to raw wood. These are raw, unfinished redwood cabinets. As you can see, the wood is very dry and faded. If the wood is left in this condition, it will continue to dry and fade and may even start to crack. These dry cabinets are in desperate need of a wood conditioner. So we're going to apply Howard Feed and Wax Wood Polish and Conditioner. Feed and Wax is a blend of beeswax, Brazilian carnauba wax, mineral oil, and orange oil. It's a gel-like consistency that can be applied with a soft cloth. First test in an inconspicuous spot to make sure you like what it does. Usually Feed and Wax slightly darkens dry wood and brings out the natural beauty of the wood grain. These redwood cabinets are very dry. We're going to generously apply Feed and Wax to a soft cloth and wipe it onto the surface. This unique blend of oils and waxes is feeding the dry wood and enhancing the wood grain. Feed and Wax is soaking deep into the dry redwood cabinets, enhancing the wood's natural color and beauty. It's a perfect product to enhance the natural beauty and depth of grain in all woods, finished and unfinished. On raw wood like this, Feed and Wax is going to give the wood a natural looking and feeling finish that only wax can achieve. This unique blend of beeswax and carnauba wax, which is the hardest natural wax available, along with conditioning oils, gives the wood a sought-after luster and appeal. Feed and Wax enhances the natural beauty and depth of grain on all your woods by using the power of real orange oil along with the finest waxes available. The natural oils feed the wood, enhancing the grain and preventing drying and cracking. Feed and Wax works best when you let the oils penetrate the surface for 20 minutes or so. Feed and Wax can be used on finished or unfinished woods to help preserve and keep the wood from drying, fading, or even cracking. The Feed and Wax has had a chance to work into the wood surface. Now it's time to simply wipe it dry and polish it out with a soft cloth. Now these cabinets have a beautiful, natural looking finish that was quick and easy. The longer you use Feed and Wax, the more conditioned and protected the wood will become. You'll use Feed and Wax whenever the wood looks faded or dry, usually every 3 to 6 months.
Barkeeper's Friend makes highly effective multi-purpose cleaning products. Many are boosted with natural organic oxalic acid, commonly found in vegetables such as rhubarb, spinach, and asparagus. Use Barkeeper's Friend to power through rust stains, soap scum, hard water deposits, greasy grime, and more, both inside and outside the home. We know our customers appreciate consistency and reliability. That's why our original cleanser hasn't changed much since its invention in 1882. But we recognize that today's consumers may have specialized cleaning needs. So we've been working on new products in our family-owned laboratory. We think you'll be happy with the results.